airplanes out of us.
Today is the day.
Oh my gosh, this is heavy!
Heavy?
Yeah, but it's like heavy like bus!
Vai abrir no chão?
We just rip it. Oh, is there? Oh, there's a lid. We need to take off this tape. Ah, it's hard. This is super cool. Ah, duct tape. It's just like the very place around the side of the tape. Whoa! Wait, there's a box in your box?
Tem a box dentro, a caixa dentro da caixa.
There's a hole in here.
Ué.
What's that hole doing there?
É.
Box inside a box, box inside a box. And there's more. Actually, put on this. Oh, wait! Wires!
Ok.
And more wires. This thing's the wires. They're controllers! What the heck? What is this? How do you work in the controllers? Yeah. What is this? Alright, I'm just don't wait, I think so. I think meteorites. The tendon will hold on our hands with this.
Faltando o quê?
There's more!
O que tá faltando?
So in there.
O que tá ali dentro?
I don't know, it's too heavy to lift. You want to take out? What is this thing?
This
Can I hold it?
Isso é o PlayStation 5. É, esse é o
Is
videogame.
there one or wire putty here?
Yeah. The
What?
controller.
What?
Vamos conectar tudo agora e vamos jogar, beleza?
Okay. Let's connect. Let's build it.
Yeah.
Tem essa marca. Tem aquela marca. X. Agora X. Olha o que vai acontecer quando o time manda fazer isso. X.
Sim.
Dude, this is very. This thing is very long.
Next.
X.
Agora tem que botar o first name.
First name Daniel.
Uhum.
Microfone, fala com ele.